channel, people, back again with another one. So as you can see, we've got a lovely Air Jordan box, see-through Jumpman on this pair. We'll get to that in a moment. And then we've got a Air Jordan Flight Club logo on the lid. The rest of the box is like all patterned up. Lots of pattern all over it. If you want to read all the information, just pause the video here because I'm not going to read it all out. And we've got patterns. We'll get onto the important bit, which is the box label and what it says, which is Air Jordan 4 Retro OG FC. FC meaning Flight Club. If you want to read the rest of it, just pause it here. Colorway is Sail/Black University Red, UK 10. Style code is IM4002-100. So as you know, or if you don't know, Air Jordan 4s always have a lift off box lid. Yeah, lift off lid. This one is see-through. You can literally see through it. I like that, it's different. So big up whoever thought of that. Then we've got the tissue paper to literally match the pattern of the box. Literally matches the pattern of the box. And then we've got some plain tissue paper. And let's get into the good bit. The Air Jordan 4 Flight Club. So these shoes are currently sitting. They were very easy to cop. I don't care about any of that, to be honest. I like this shoe a lot, and I'll explain it in a moment. So bottom of the shoe, we have got that sail, we've got black, and we've got red. So a mix of all three colors. Very nice standard Air Jordan 4 sole, just with black, red and sail. Midsole, we've got again standard Air Jordan 4 midsole. We've got sail, black, and then the airbag is that sail color. And the upper, we've got leather, a very nice leather, if I must say. Nice and smooth leather. I don't know if it's any better, but to me it feels really nice, real smooth. I don't know if it's premium or not. I like it. Then obviously we've got that suede wrap around the toe, very similar to the Air Jordan 4 SB. We've got that beige type suede. I'd say it's beige, yeah. The Jordan 4 SB has obviously got the grey one. It's just a bit of a different colour. But here, what I do really like, and it does bring out the shoe, in my own opinion, is this stitching that we've got all around. It looks really good. It just brings out the shoe, in my opinion. Then we've got the plastic wings as we call them, or as people call them. So we've got the plastic wing, obviously sail, and then black at the top. Then we've got that piece there with the black. The mesh, as is on nearly all Jordan 4s. I'm not going to say all Jordan 4s because someone's going to comment, well, actually on the Oreo 4s back in, I don't know, 2015, they didn't have this or whatever. I don't care. It's here. We've got that mesh, and we've got that netting right there. Again on the tongue, we've got that mesh and then netting on top, and on this side mesh and netting also in that sail colorway. The laces we'll just get onto right now. Sail laces, normal standard Nike laces, and then on the tongue it is different to the usual logo, and it says Air Jordan Flight Club, so that Flight Club logo. On the back, one of my favorite bits of the shoe is this Nike Air. So it's kind of black on black with like red accents, red outline. Like if you move it a certain way, you can see the redness. Not sure if the camera's going to pick that up the best, but I really do like that. Don't mind this, they just came like that, to be honest. Not sure why, how. And obviously it's a bit tougher than the Jordan 4 SB. It's the standard heel tab or back tab. Hopefully it doesn't dig in. Then we've got a lovely Air Jordan, obviously upside down, and then the red tongue. And then the insole I have to get out again because they're really going all out with this graphic. Once again, you've got that same sort of graphic that's on the box, that's on the tissue, and now on the insole. If this is easy to remove, usually I remove it. Yeah, we can do that. Can we? Maybe not. I'll leave that down for now. But yeah. And then obviously the Jordan, Air Jordan Flight Club logo, which admittedly I don't really like that much. However, seeing it more and more, I like it more and more. I'm not going to fix that up yet. But yeah, so that's the Jordan 4 Flight Club. I really do like this shoe. Why? Because of the colorway. The sail type off-white colorway is really nice to me. A lot of people compare them to the military black. So that's all white with the black accents, etc. Which, don't get me wrong, is a nice shoe. However, the off-white thing kind of works for me as well. So I do prefer these. They are sitting right now, probably because people just want to compare them too much and don't want to enjoy this shoe. Will they go on sale? I have actually seen them on sale already at a lower price. Yeah, I'd say if you want to hold out because they probably will go on sale. But yeah, I really like this shoe, man. It'll go with a lot of outfits that I've got. Casual ones, you can also dress these up like smart casual, or I'd say borderline smart. Like you can wear kind of smart outfit and then put these on the bottom, and then that will smart casual it up. But really like this pair, man. Lovely pair. Sale, can't go wrong with sale, man. But yeah, definitely one of my favorite Jordan 4s. If I was to rate this shoe, I'm not gonna lie, the more I look at them, the more I like them. I'm not gonna give them a 10 out of 10 because it's rare for me to. So this shoe will get a solid 8.9 out of 10. Why? I don't know. I like the shoe a lot, but I'm taking 0.1 away. Maybe because of this. If it was different, I might like it more. But it's growing on me, and I'm not going to waffle too much. But yeah, I'll post an on-foot video of this shoe. It will follow this, and I'll also post it separate. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, subscribe, and most importantly, take care of my people.
you.